Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up eBay seller inventory using Sell Inventory Reports, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your eBay seller account. Navigate to the My eBay section located at the top of the page. From there, click on Selling to access your Seller Hub. In the Seller Hub, scroll down to find the Reports option. Select Reports to open the reporting dashboard. Next, look for the Inventory section within the Reports menu. Click on Sell Inventory to access your inventory reports. Choose the desired time frame for the report. Select the format you wish to download, such as Excel or CSV. Once the report is generated, click the Download button to save it to your computer. Open the downloaded file using a spreadsheet program like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Review the inventory details, ensuring that all items are accurately listed. If needed, make any edits or adjustments directly within the spreadsheet. Save the finished file in a secure location on your computer or cloud storage. Consider backing up the file on an external hard drive for additional security. Regularly repeat this process to keep your inventory information up to date. This method helps in managing your inventory effectively and prevents data loss. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.